Transit of Russian trucks by Ukrainian territory is officially prohibited since 16th of February. Cabinet of Ministers has adopted such a decision as an answer to prohibition of Moscow to move by Russian territory for Ukrainian trucks. In this way, Kremlin reacted on civic blockades of entrance to Ukraine for trucks with Russian numbers. It was started on 11th of February in Zakarpattia region. Then other regions joined the action. More details watching the following story.
Checkpoint in Rivne region is on the road by which Russian trucks go from Belarus to European Union. There are 5 people near the improvised lifting gate. They stopped trucks with Russian car numbers. They explained why they decided to join civil action on blocking.
There are international treaties, but they don't work because nobody read them, but only think how to earn more money. So civic organizations always save the situation and watch the state's security.
And this is how activists are blocking the highway Moscow-Kiev and Sumy region. They stop cars, call for police and send trucks backward direction. Moscow acted in its turn. It officially banned the transit for Ukrainian trucks by its territory until civil blockade of Russian trucks is continuing. At Infrastructure Ministry of Ukraine explained that there is no violation in blockade protests of Ukrainians from borderline regions.
Such kinds of blockades doesn't violate international treaties. Such situations often happen in Europe, for example in France, Germany. It happens, but doesn't lead to violation of international law. We have started technical consultations with European partners, with the Ministry of Transport of Russia, concerning resolution of this question.
Experts underline that two-side ban of transit will hit the economy of both countries. They advise Ukraine to coordinate its actions with European partners and to explain the reasons of blockade.
Decide to turn into political plan. We need to decide that we don't sell, don't pass trucks of state aggressor, but it should be political decision, made on the highest level, and it should be agreed with our European partners, because today Europeans suffer.
Prime Minister of Ukraine Arseniy Yatsenyuk said that Russian Federation violates all international laws with its actions.
Recently, Ukraine appealed to Russian Federation with note of protest with demand to explain why it happened and why Russia made such a decision. Until Russia doesn't give a strict answer and this question is not regulated, temporary transit licenses which were given to Russian trucks and which are stopped. I demand from Russian Federation to give not only explanation, but cancellation of illegal decision about prohibition of Ukrainian trucks transportation by territory of Russian Federation.
The participants of civil transit blockade are not satisfied with government's decision. Activists from the Zakarpattia region, where blockade was initiated, demanded not temporary but full prohibition on transit for Russian trucks. In case that it is not to happen, they will pull Russian cars around and the blockade will be continued. Moreover, they demand to resolve the issue with Ukrainian trucks in Russia. Otherwise, they are going to shut off the way home for Russian trucks drivers. On February 17th, the Ministry of Infrastructure of Ukraine asked the activists to stop blocking Russian cars during 10 days, since Kiev and Moscow has agreed to pass those trucks which are stuck at the borders, and that is nearly 600 cars from the both sides. The first Ukrainian column has already left from Berdyansk region in Russia.